How to easily return Adidas products online. If you've bought something and need to return it, follow these steps. First, open your preferred browser and search for adidas.com. This will take you to the official website. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, then tap on Help. From there, you need to look up How do I return my products? You'll see a list of instructions after tapping on How do I return my products? Returns are free. To begin, navigate to change/return. You have up to 14 days from the date of delivery to return an item, and tapping on that option will take you to a new page. The order number and email address are the first two questions you must answer. After that, choose whether you want to track an order, initiate an exchange, or return an item. Then tap Continue to complete the process. Be sure to follow the on screen instructions and then enter any additional info that is needed.